Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Marvel Unlimited Thing digital comic skin. This fantastic cosmetic item is a special reward for dedicated Marvel fans. To begin, you will need an active Marvel Unlimited subscription. These skins are typically offered during exciting cross-promotional events, linking your love for comics with other Marvel experiences. It is a great way to enhance your digital collection and show off your fandom. Becoming a Marvel Unlimited subscriber is your first step. Head to the Marvel Unlimited website or download the app on your device. You can select a monthly plan for $9.99 or an annual plan for $69, saving you money over 12 months. This subscription grants you access to over 30,000 digital comics, with new issues added weekly. To ensure you receive your skin, your Marvel Unlimited subscription must be active by any stated eligibility cutoff date. Marvel will then send your unique redemption code directly to the email address associated with your account. Keep an eye on your inbox, as these codes are generally distributed within a few days following the promotional period's close. Sometimes, the code may also appear within the Marvel Unlimited app itself. Once you receive your code, it is time to redeem your new digital skin. Launch the Marvel Rivals game and navigate to the settings menu. Look for a section labeled Bundle Code or Redeem Code. Carefully enter your unique code into the designated field. After successful entry, the Unlimited Thing skin will be added to your inventory, ready for you to enjoy in-game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.